Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the BISP solution. BISP is a tech company which provides technical solution across the world. So today we are going to talk about how to calculate interest. So for that we will just move to the instance first. Here we will see the instance. Yes, this is the instance. Let me refresh it. Here I'm refreshing it. This is a new application, so I will create a vision application first. I will just remove this. Here I will remove the application, and then I will further create a new sample vision application. Here I proceeded to delete this. Yes, and now we will start the application again. Here I will go to application and just refresh it. Here I am going to refresh this refresh this site. Yes, now we will process to create a sample vision application. We will wait little bit for application creation. we will just wait here. We have to wait little bit. Yes, now the application has been created. Yes, so we will perform our task now. Here firstly we will click on 3-line navigator, and then we will go to the dimension. Here under the dimension we can see the account section. Under there are areas, here the balance sheet, and there are also assets and liabilities. Here we will see the liabilities and owner's equity. When we further drag it, so there is current liabilities and long-term liabilities. When we further drag this, then under the current liabilities we can see, suppose this is the long-term liability. When we drag it, then we can see, 1 minute, I'm dragging it here so that we can clearly see the things like payable to bank, long-term debt. So this is one of the debt here, and same way we will create interest under miscellaneous. Same way, suppose we are creating sibling here, that is interest. And we will rename it here, and then we will give the name is interest. So interest, what is actually the interest? Interest is one kind of expense, right? Yes, so here we will keep it on a never share. And yes, so same way we will go to the rule, and we will create a rule for that. Here we will go to the rule, and when we go there we will click on vision. Sorry, we will click on new object here. Under it, here the EPM cloud application would be vision, and the cube would be plan 1, and the plan would be rule, object type would be rule, and here we will give the name it calculate interest, calculation of interest. That is the rule here, and same way we will give the entity name here, entity, after that entity product. Same way we will select plan as a scenario, and thereafter a version would be working version, and what is left? Yes, year is a FY24. That's we are getting, and here the same way we will select the particular dimension under the account. Here the long-term liability, and the actual account name is 2600. Same way we will keep it, note it here. We will give the formula of interest. Yes, and interest is 1205. Yes, so 1205 here, and the same way we will choose interest interest equals to tapped multiplied by the percentage. Suppose there is a 6%, so for this 6 we will select 0.6, not 0.6, it's 0.06. yes, sit here, and same way we will do in that manner. So now we will validate and save. Rule validated with no error, and the same way we will deploy the rule here. we will deploy. Deployment is also successful. So now we are in the process of launching the rule. So hope we have the connection. Yes, think we have to log in again for that. So now we will log in here. We will select the link here, and then we will click on arrow. We have to wait little bit for that. We will open the Excel here, and just wait. Excel is taking time, so we have to wait little bit for that. Yes. we have to wait just here so that we can process the application. uh, yes, we have to delete this URL, and I think again try to do this thing. uh, here local worksheet connection, we will create a new connection here. We will just insert the URL and then we will do the task here. Let me check 1 minute. I think we have to log in for that. So for this we have to wait little bit, 1 minute. I'm just logging it here. Hmm. Minimize. Hmm. Yes, under the smart view, firstly we will just refresh the thing. Here it's showing application not found, so for that we will check the active connection here. And now we will just go to the panel and I think we have to again start this Excel. We will start this Excel again here to implement the thing. Yes, this is our new Excel sheet, and now in this Excel sheet we will create a new connection here. So for that we will go to the link, and then we will log in. Yes, now we can log in here. Username and ID, password we can access. So the same way yes, here we will go to the 1 minute. We will check the connection here. Where is the connection? Yeah, that's why the problem is happening. Actually here there is no application has been created. I think someone got deleted this application. That's why we were facing problem in Excel. So we will just create the application here. Application creation is in process, and we will wait a little bit for that. The application creation is in process. We will wait here. Just wait. We will wait for the application here. We have to wait a little bit. After that we can do this. Application creation has been initiated. Now we have to wait little bit. Yes, we are facing some problems here in the application section. So so yes, I think now application has been created. So we will just go to the dimension. No, we yes, we have created the application, but we did not create it the we have to create interest. Sorry for that. We will go to add siblings here and write the name of sibling name is 1 2 1205, right? Is it 4 or 5? We also have to create a rule also. Yes, 1204 and is the interest its interest would be expense flow and it would be in the negotiable. Here the same way long term liability is also here under the long term liability. So here 2600 is a liability. So 2600 and 1204. So for that, firstly we will go to the rule and now under this we will select the vision plan 1 object is a rule and this rule name is calculate interest, right? Interest here we have to do the same thing here under editing the script. We have to do the same thing here, like fix and here entity same way P110 product working plan and the same way after plan we will also select FY24 sorry FY24 yes and the same way we will also select interest equals to 2600 is at our debt multiplied by 0.06 as a interest, and here we will do and fix. Edit script and fix. So now we will just validate and save. Rule validated with no error, and the same way we will validate and deploy the rule. Deployment is also successful now. So here we will connect it. Here the plan 1, ad hoc analysis, and the same way HSP view would be base data. HSP view would be base data. Scenario would be working, not plan, right? Version would be working. Product would be P110 is a Sentinel standard notebook, right? So yes, this is the product. We will select it here, and yes, year would be FY 24. Same way, period would be Jan. We can select here. The same way we can also select member. So for the member we can select member is a total department. Under department resources is a facility resources. This is the facility resources. Here we have selecting it, and same way we will also choose the account here. For the account we will also select two account. First one is from long-term debt, is a balance sheet, liability, total liability. Yes, I think if I will give the account in that manner, so would it come or not? I'm just checking it here. Just copy it and paste it here. Here I will refresh it. Where it gone? So for that I think we have to select the account. Yes, here the assets, liability under total liability. When we click on total liability, so there is long-term liability, and the same way under miscellaneous we can see the interest. So we will bring both the things here. No, sorry. Under long-term liability we will bring payable to long-term debt, yes, and we will bring it here. So here we bring back to here these two things which we have selected, yes. And now same way, after taking interest, and we will enter the value under debt, like it's a 50,000. So we will just delete it and bring it here, yes. And now we will refresh the things here, yes. We will keep the particular amount here, and then we will launch the rule here same way. Here is the calculate business rule. Here where is the business rule which we have created? We have to wait little bit for that. Business rule is a cash flow plan, facility resources, HR, revenue plan. Yes, this is the interest, and we will launch it here. Business rule completed successfully. Now we will just refresh it here. What happened? 1 minute. Yes, sorry, we have selected all the data and plan type. Yes, now we will select it and just launch the rule here. We will try one last time here. If something could happen, then here we can do so. Where is a rule? Just wait a little bit for that. Yes. uh, a rule is a calculating interest. Yes, this is the rule, and we will launch it here. We will just refresh it here. There is some issue, but the process is same, like we have to enter the digit and then we can get the actual figure of interest here, whatever the formula applied in the business rules. So same way we can do this thing. So that is actually the thing here. So in that way we have to apply the business rule, and thank you for that. uh, Now I will conclude the session. I will stop this session. If you have any query, then you can feel free to ask me. That's it for today. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much for your time. Here I will stop this session. That's it for today.